Welcome to my TikTok channel. This is Chemistry Guru. So here we're still looking at naming of hydrocarbons. Then considering number 10, having a look at this carbon, we see that it has two carbons, right? And then it has a double bond. So that tells us it's a thing with the E because of the double bonds. So for a general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. This formula is for alkane, and the alkyne, the formula is CnH2n minus 2. So let's see number 12. Which of the following shows the structure of ethene? Now on ethene, we always have two carbon and a double bond. This is one carbon, this is two carbon, but then it's all single bonds. So this cannot be, that cannot be. This is two carbon, but then this is three carbon, so it can't be. And this is two carbon and two bonds, so this is the correct answer. So let's see number 13. It says, which of the following shows the structure of propane? Propane is 3 and with a double bond. So we're looking for 3 carbons with a double bond. So that is 1, 2, 3. So that is the correct one. Every other one has 1, 2, 2, but this is the one that has 3 and a double bond. A propane as well, similar question. So the same thing we're going to look for, and that is going to be A. Which is a structure? Let's see number 15. Which is a structure with IUPAC nomenclature 2,2,4 trimethylpentane? So pentane means that it has 5 carbon. This is single bond. Trimethyl means it has CH3, 3 of it. So first thing we'll do is to draw a structure that has 5 carbon, and then we're going to number the carbons, and then we're going to put the methyl on the second because it has 2, 2, and then the last one is going to be on the fourth. So we're going to look for a structure that is similar to this. So this is 1, 2, 3. It cannot be. Let's look at B. This is 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5, and that looks very similar. Let's look at the C part. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it cannot be. That's not a pentane, that is a hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then we have methyl in 2 position, methyl in 3 position, methyl in 4 position. So this is also a pentane, but then it has the methyl in different positions. So the methyl is in 2, 3, 4 positions. So the correct answer is B. So let's see number 16. Number 16 says, what is the name of this compound? So like I told you before, if you watch my previous video, I said when you are naming this compound, the hydrocarbons, ensure that you are giving the one that has the bond, either the double bond or the triple bond. The carbon that has a bond will give you the lowest number. So if we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, it means we are giving this carbon 4 position. However, if we count from 1, 2, 3, we are giving it 3 position. So the one with the lowest number is the correct count. So we'll continue counting 4, 5, 6. Does that make sense? Good. Now, this 6 shows that it's an X. Now, because the carbon, the the double bond is found in the triple bond is found in the second carbon, is the one bonding with the third. So is a 2, and because it's a 3 bond, is a yne, is a hyne. So that's X2 hyne. So we'll look at the options we've got. This is the options that are close by. X2 hyne. Good. Next thing we need to do is to now look for the methyls. Which of the carbon are the methyls bonded to? So looking at this, we'll see that there's carbon is bonded to, there's an ethyl bonded to the 4th carbon, right? And also there is a methyl bonded, 2 methyls bonded to the 5th carbon. I'm just going to change the color of this pen. Is methyl 1, methyl 2, and it's bonded to the 5th carbon. Does that make sense? So now, so that's going to be, remember the 4th carbon has ethyl, so that's 4 ethyl. But then we then have on the 5th carbon we have 2 methyl, 5. Because we have 2 methyl, we call it dimethyl. So the name of the hydrocarbon of this hydrocarbon is going to be D. Now, why this one doesn't have di in it? So that is why this is wrong. So the correct name is 4-ethyl 5,5-dimethyl X2N. Exercise 17 says give the IUPAC name for this compound. This looks very simple. You can pause this video and give this a try yourself. But then, like I said, we count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can count the other way around as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I mean 4, I mean I'm referring to this carbon, that carbon, that carbon. So we are going to give the lowest number of, if we check this, we've counted from the left to right and also from the right to left. But then the correct count will be the one that is giving the lowest number to either the bond, the carbon with the double or the triple bond, or the one that's giving the lowest number to the carbon that has a higher. So we look at the substituent that has the lowest number. So in this case, if we count from right to left, which is here, the subsequent with the lowest number was going to be this ethyl that has the 3rd position. Well, if we count from right to left, the ethyl is going to have the 4th position. Do you get it? It's going to be on the 4th carbon. But if we count from right to left, it's going to be on the 3rd carbon. So we are going with this counting. So that is going to be 3 ethyl, and then this is going to be 4 methyl hexane. So now when you are naming, you ensure that you are naming this ethyl and methyl in alphabetical order. So because E comes before M, you name it ethyl first before naming methyl. So that's going to be 3 ethyl 4 methyl hexane. Don't make a mistake. Don't say 4 methyl 3 ethyl hexane. That's gonna be wrong, because according to the IUPAC nomenclature, you must name E before M. So let's go to, yeah, we're gonna stop here, and you can give the other ones a try and let me know if you need further help. Thank you. Bye.